Hi friends, this is Manohar. Earlier I have explained about the two videos of the data science, the introductions of the data science, and in this third video I am going to explain about the wonderful make senses of the various interdisciplinary actions which give a full understanding of what is the data science. So data science is not a monoscience. Data science have some interdisciplinary actions, have some interdisciplinary actions which can know about processes some processes plus systems. These two can be enabled to get some insights, or your findings or your solutions or your findings from your collected data. That means earlier I explained the data can be collected in the two ways, primary and secondary data. Already I have a collected data which is already compared with my previous records from the secondary data, and I have made some regular manner. Now I am going to apply my interdisciplinary actions to my processes and systems, and I want to find out the solutions from this collected data. That means let it be take the example of this processes. I am taking my manufacturing process. It is my one of my business requirement. I am doing some manufacturing of some finished good of FMCG. Let it be example. This is a finished good. If I want to manufacturing some 100 piece of any manufacturing a finished product, let it be the materials, the fundamentals, the raw material is required is raw material X and raw material Y. Let me example, if I want to manufacture 100 pieces of my finished product, I want to utilize some 50 kg of this raw material X and some 40 kg of this raw material Y. So the combination of these processes, manufacturing processes, raw material X and raw material Y, to manufacturing a finished product of 100 pieces, I require the statistics for 50 kg or 40 kg. That means whatever the recordings you are happening in day-to-day transactions of your processes, of your manufacturing or your business, I'm applying to my computer systems. I'm applying this entire statistics of day-to-day records in the computer systems with by using some database tables, and I am going to estimate whether this combination is optimal solution or not. I can suggest optimal solution or not. Whether this combination of the raw materials is exactly matched to manufacturing 100 pieces right or not can be analyzed by applying some of the interdisciplinary actions or some of the methodological sciences. Now, finally, these data science and interdisciplinary actions of various theories and techniques I'm going to apply on the data science. So the data science, the major thing you have heard about the data science majorly consisting of the statistics, statistical learnings, the statistics, and some mathematics, and some predictive analytics. I will call as a PAL, a predictive analytics, and a probability models, and a probability models, and a probability models. I'm using some signal processing. I am using some signal processing in my manufacturing system, or it may be some as per your requirement, signal processing, and some pattern recognitions of your system, and by using some artificial intelligence models and some machine learning models that contains some systematic applications, and where we can use and train the system, where we can train the computers to estimate as per our requirement, and some visualizations some visualizations how you are going to represent your data through some graphs or some pictorial representation. You can understand easily by seeing your data and your statistics. And I can call as a, a computer science. A computer science I'm using in my data science, and I'm utilizing some operation research, the operations of how the work are to be completed in different phases. Like example, the phase 10, 20, 30, there some numbers has been assigned to some routings or some bill of materials, how this can be integrated with some activity types in the organizations. And I am utilizing some of the information science, some of the information science. So these are the interdisciplinary actions, or these are the interdisciplinary concepts where it makes you sense of the data science. So the finally you understood that data science is not a monoscience. Data science is a multidimensional activities where you are going to apply your processes, systems, which can be enables you to extract your findings as per your requirement by using these interdisciplinary actions that make you sense of the data science. Thank you for watching, and let us wait for the next video. Thank you very much.